This way.
Sir, this is the drone which we are manufacturing in Hyderabad for the defense. This is for his major.
I'm Commander Srikanth. Sir. I'm ex-naval Indian Navy, and then I've joined JSW. So this particular drone is called VBAT, and it is in a joint venture with Shield AI, which is a Texas-based company. Presently, manufacturing will be commencing soon in Hyderabad, and we are the manufacturing partners for Shield AI. The drone is mainly used for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, and it can go up to a height of about 18,000 feet, can fly up to 1,200 kilometers with SATCOM capabilities, and it is mainly used for by defense forces for intelligence, surveillance, and can be fitted with a EOIR camera, sir, on the nose and with a radar on the belly. And it can fly up till 12 hours of it has an endurance.
And it can take off from the truck.
And
from the back of the truck, this can take off out from the ship.
And from a ship, sir, from a moving platform, it can take off and land. It takes off vertically, does the entire mission horizontally, and then lands
How
back.
far you are very strong in drone technology?
Sir, as of now, we are good, sir. We have the technology for...
Not only this, what I am asking, both civilian application and defense application, both you have to work together. I started Drone City itself.
Oh.
Is in Orvakallu, in between Ballari and here.
Sir, we are
okay.
presently flying from Orvakkal, sir. We are, JSW is the first
I am
company.
asking
Yes,
you,
sir.
why can't you start both commercial and pilots training, everything?
Training already we have started from Oracle, sir. Training for this one.
Training we are doing manufacturing. Manufacturing also, if you can start from
20 ఎకరాలు
Oracle.
అడిగారు సార్ పెద్దగా అడుగుపండి
We should have gone there
20
only.
ఎకరాలు అడిగారు ఎక్కువ అడగమని చెప్పారు
No, 20 or 50 acres I am prepared to give.
Ah.
You make it drone your hub.
Yeah.
That is the future. Even transportation of all our vegetables, fruit,
Should happen with drones.
అంబులెన్స్ ట్రైనింగ్ సార్
ambulance.
That is the future.
Even I am working ambulance,
Ambulance.
drone ambulance, and also transport air drone taxi.
Oh, drone taxi within the city. Ah.
Now I want to make in Amaravati. There is some helipads.
Okay.
There, drone helipad. Anybody can drop there and then they'll move.
Yeah.
సార్ డ్రోన్ సిటీ ఆల్సో సార్ హెస్ టోల్డ్ టు బిల్డ్ 1 kilometer air strip, sir. We have a airstrip available, so that is the advantage because you can test there only.
Future.
Correct. In that.
Drone city, Kurnool, and it's a separate
Oracle
airspace
you are
we are
using.
creating.
Yes, sir.
There I am making.
It's a
all.
separate airspace, sir. Up to you can go up to 10,000 meters.
Okay.
Separate airspace we are creating.
Future is drones.
Yeah.
Future is space and electronics.
Yeah.
Aerospace.
Correct.
You are having patience. You concentrate in aerospace.
Aerospace. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for your administration, sir. We could get the Kurnool base operational in a record time.
Yeah.
And it is the only base which is operational in India.
No, I want to make it real time. You will.
Yeah.
Yes,
Soon.
yes, yes.
We'll make it out.
Please.
No, you be in touch our people.
Yes,
So
sir.
put that.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah.
Oh, sir, you will.
Yes, sir.
Come.
All the three plants are
Yeah.
inaugurated, sir. Steel, energy, and the industrial park. Three. Yes.
Very nice.
Yes.
Good beginning.
Yes, sir.
Lot to be done.
Yeah, lots to be done. This is for group.
డిఫెన్స్ కి సంబంధించినటువంటి వాహనాల్ని వీక్షిస్తున్నారు.
last year during flood operations in Punjab. So this vehicle can go to places like marshlands, desert areas, mountainous terrain,
Floods.
and this is primarily used for flood rescue operations. This can run for 65 hours without any refueling, and it has got 330 liters of fuel tank and dual battery for redundancy.
How many you have released as of now?
Sorry, sir.
How many you have produced?
How many vehicles?
We have
vehicles?
already produced 124, sir. 96 are running for the Indian Army with Air Force as well. They're also being operated in UN missions, sir.
So for any civilian application,
Yes, sir. For civil
Punjab
application,
floods.
rescue and
only when
relief
Punjab.
operations.
But Punjab also
Government.
given from only from army only, no sir?
No,
No.
Punjab government also taken.
Government has taken.
Disaster.
Our disaster management will take one or two.
And what is the cost of this vehicle?
So this is 1.8 CR excluding GST.
Any export you're making now, ma'am?
Not yet, sir. We are manufacturing it for India.
Sir, you have to
excluding
do
zero.
an export unit here, sir. Export manufacturing unit.
Oh.
Where you manufacturing, where you are doing?
We
Chandigarh.
did it in Chandigarh, sir. Sir.
We'll work it out.
Right. Thank you, sir. And sir,
So this is one model of that.
Photography here, sir. Yes.
Yeah, Oh, yes, sir, please. Just mind this, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is You put our foot here? Yes, or no?
yes, sir. You can do it.
It doesn't have that.
Conventional steering system. It operates with this.
Okay.
Yes, and when you have to turn the vehicle, you can lock the one side and it simply rotates with the turns.
This, yeah.
Yes, sir. And it has got 98 liters of fuel tank, sir. Plus it has got 58 liters of additional fuel canister in each wheel.
What is the speed?
What is it? The speed is 45 kilometers per hour.
Maximum speed is
1 is 5 kilometers per hour.
So the speciality of this is that the tire is air pressurized and the engine is producing the air and continuously the air is going to the tire. So if it goes, if a man's foot is there, the tire can go on it and nothing will happen. You will not feel it. It is so soft because the air goes out and then as it becomes full, then again that's why it can climb any stone, anything, and it is like that. Am I right?
Yes, you're right, sir. It's got ultra low pressure tires.
Ultra low pressure.
And it doesn't require any special preparation when it moves from one surface to the other. As in from the land to the water, we simply have to reduce the tire pressure by just sitting here in the cabin and then it is ready to float in the water. That is why it could save those lives in Punjab region.
Okay, good. Very nice. Good experience for us.
తీసుకోండి గుడ్
We'll go there, show the cars. So these are the new cars that we are manufacturing. This is MG Magister. This is a very strong car, very high quality. We recently, today only, this month only we are launching. July only, no? Yeah. This is a very popular electric car, sir. In India, this is the number one electric car that we are selling under the MG brand. This is this is all made in Baroda.
How many you are making a
1 lakh 20,000. Now next year we'll make 2 lakh cars. Yes. And then grow. This is another very nice car, sir. This CM Maharashtra is also taken and we have made it bulletproof for him. So just show that. This is a very comfortable car. Captain seats and it can fully recline.
It is a fully. Yeah.
Come. It's fully manufactured here, sir, and fully electric. And this is a bulletproof, sir. This one is not, but it will be converted into bulletproof. For CM, sir.
Here we have the massager seats, heat and the ventilation seats for all the seat.
Acha. That also.
Yes, sir.
What is the cost of this car?
About 80 lakhs?
90 lakhs.
90 lakhs. Yeah. And if you make it bulletproof, maybe another 10 or 20 lakh rupees more.
That's all.
Then it becomes bulletproof. So 1 crore, 10 lakhs, 1 crore, 20 lakhs.
1.2 nearly.
1.2,
Yes.
it will become bulletproof. Sir.
And now also it's Euro NCAP 5-star is
So, sir,
very
in
hard
fact,
material.
in every city, one car for CM can be.
At least more 3 regions, 3 cars.
Yeah.
Then it will come.
Yes, sir. More than
3 regions, 3 cars.
3 cars. Then it can come. Yeah, correct.
Hub and spoke.
Correct. Yeah, hub and spoke. Yeah.
We'll work it out.
Yes, sir.
Equal to Toyota welfare model?
Half
So
of
bigger
that.
than that, sir, actually.
The
Bigger
size
than
is
150
bigger,
than
but
Velfire.
price is half.
Price is half of the Velfire.
That is 1.8.
1.8.
That is 1.8.
He's saying 80 lakhs plus 20 lakhs bulletproof.
Bulletproof. Then becomes bulletproof.
Around 1.
Welfare 1.8.
1.8.
Now we will change it. Let us see.
Yes, sir.
We'll work it out.
And it's very comfortable and electric, sir. No
and
fuel.
also working and also very.
Yeah.
In a single charge, we give up to 450 on road, sir. One charge.
One charge.
Acha.
500 kilometers.
So we'll work it out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Any other car is there? That's,